Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create a dynamic progress chart using a donut chart in Excel. Let's get started. First, select the data, go to the Insert tab, and select the donut chart from the chart options. Delete the chart title and the legend to keep the design clean. Now right-click on the chart and choose Select Data. Then add a new data series like this. Click on OK. Now we will format the series. Right-click again and choose Format Data Series. Set the donut hole size to 50%. And choose the color as blue. You can customize the colors as per your preference. Now change the series chart type, and make sure to tick the secondary axis option for Series 1. Click OK. Format the new data series again to fine-tune the design, and adjust the look for a more appearance. Adjust the color and transparency, just like I'm showing in the video. Now insert a square shape to display the completion percentage. And format it by changing the shape style and aligning the text, and now adjusting the font size to match the chart. And that's it. Your dynamic progress chart is ready, simple, clean, and effective. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.